Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, I will be discussing Factum Probandum and Factum Probans. The accused conspired to kill the victim. Is it Factum Probandum or Factum Probans? The guilt or innocence of the accused. Is it Factum Probandum or Factum Probans? The injury or damage injured. Is it Factum Probandum or Factum Probans? The promissory note to prove existence of an unpaid debt. Is it Factum Probandum or Factum Probans? That the accused is negligent. Is it Factum Probandum or Factum Probans? There is treachery. Is it Factum Probandum or Factum Probans? Exit wounds were in front, indicating that the victim was shot at the back. Is it Factum Probandum or Factum Probans? All litigations, whether civil or criminal, involve the relationship between these two concepts, Factum Probandum and Factum Probans. Now let us discuss Factum Probandum. Factum Probandum. In the law of evidence, Factum Probandum refers to the ultimate fact to be proven, or the proposition to be established, or that which a party wants to prove to the court. It is the fact which is in issue and to which the evidence is directed. Ito yung kung ano ang gusto mong patunayan sa korte. Factum Probandum in civil case refers to the elements of a cause of action from the point of view of the plaintiff, and the elements of the defense from the point of view of the defendant. In criminal cases, Factum Probandum includes all matters that the prosecution must prove beyond reasonable doubt in order to justify a conviction. Take note that if the fact is admitted, there is no more Factum Probandum because there is no fact in issue. Halimbawa ng Factum Probandum, gusto mong patunayan sa korte na yung robbery was committed through force upon things. What if the accused admitted that he committed robbery with force upon things? In this case, the issue of whether the crime of robbery was committed through force upon things ceases to be a Factum Probandum. Since there is an admission, no need to prove the same. Next, let us now discuss Factum Probans. Factum Probans refers to the evidentiary facts by which the Factum Probandum will be proved, or these are facts which are necessary for the determination of the ultimate facts. It is the material evidencing the proposition. Ito naman yung mga bagay na nagpapatunay sa gusto mong patunayan sa korte. Halimbawa, ang lock sa pintuan ay nasira ng sapilitan. Ito yung Factum Probans or evidentiary fact na magpapatunay sa Factum Probandum, which is the robbery is committed through force upon things. Next, let us go back now to our questions. The accused conspired to kill the victim. This is Factum Probandum. The guilt or innocence of the accused. This is Factum Probandum. The injury or damage injured. This is Factum Probandum. The promissory note to prove existence of an unpaid debt. This is Factum Probans. That the accused is negligent. This is Factum Probandum. There is treachery. This is Factum Probandum. Exit wounds were in front, indicating that the victim was shot at the back. This is Factum Probans. To end, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos.